Comprehensive tutorial on sheep farming, your recommended video for successful lamb rearing. Are you considering venturing into sheep farming? Look no further. Our comprehensive tutorial on sheep farming is the ultimate guide to help you master the art of successful lamb rearing. As soon as you search on Google or YouTube, this video is poised to be your top recommendation. Introduction to sheep farming. Embarking on a sheep farming journey requires a solid foundation of knowledge. In this video, we delve into the basics, introducing you to different sheep breeds, their characteristics, and the various purposes they serve. Understanding the right breed for your specific goals is crucial for successful lamb rearing. Setting up your sheep farm. Creating a suitable environment for your sheep is paramount. Learn about designing and constructing pens, shelters, and grazing areas that provide the optimal conditions for your flock's well-being. We also discuss essential equipment and tools that will make your daily farming tasks more efficient. Nutrition and feeding. Providing proper nutrition is essential for the health and growth of your sheep. In this section, we will delve into the details of sheep nutrition and feeding strategies to ensure your flock's well-being and maximize their potential. 1. Understanding nutritional requirements. Sheep have specific nutritional needs that vary depending on their life stage, size, breed, and purpose. Lambs, growing lambs, pregnant ewes, and lactating ewes all have distinct dietary requirements. We will break down the essential nutrients, including carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, that contribute to their overall health. 2. Forage and pasture management. Forage forms the foundation of a sheep's diet. Learn how to select and manage pasture for optimal grazing. Discover rotational grazing techniques to prevent overgrazing and maintain pasture quality. We will also discuss the benefits of offering a diverse range of forage options to ensure balanced nutrition. 3. Supplementation. While pasture is crucial, supplementation might be necessary to meet specific nutritional needs. Explore various supplementation options, including grains, hay, silage, and mineral supplements. Understand the timing and quantities required to maintain healthy sheep and support their growth. 4. Water management. A consistent and clean water supply is vital for sheep health. We will guide you on water requirements based on environmental conditions and sheep activity levels. Learn how to prevent water contamination and create efficient water distribution systems within your sheep farm. 5. Feeding strategies. Different life stages demand different feeding strategies. We will provide insights into creep feeding for lambs, transition diets for weaning, and specialized diets for pregnant and lactating ewes. Discover how to monitor feed intake and adjust rations to maintain ideal body condition scores and prevent issues like overfeeding or underfeeding. 6. Seasonal considerations. Sheep nutritional needs can change with the seasons. Learn how to adapt your feeding program to accommodate temperature fluctuations, forage availability, and the energy requirements of sheep during colder months. By understanding these seasonal shifts, you can keep your flock healthy year-round. 7. Monitoring and health indicators. Regularly monitoring your sheep's health is essential. We will highlight signs of malnutrition, overnutrition, and deficiencies in essential nutrients. By observing changes in body condition, coat quality, and behavior, you can intervene early and adjust feeding plans accordingly. 8. Record keeping. Maintaining accurate records of your flock's nutrition and feeding is essential for long-term success. We will discuss how to create feeding schedules, track changes in feed consumption, and record any health issues that arise. These records will help you make informed decisions and fine-tune your feeding program over time. Proper nutrition and feeding practices are the cornerstones of successful sheep farming. By understanding the intricacies of sheep nutrition and tailoring your feeding program to meet their specific needs, you can ensure optimal growth, reproductive success, and overall well-being for your flock. Healthcare and disease management. Maintaining the health of your flock is a top priority. Gain insights into common sheep diseases, their symptoms, and preventive measures you can take. Learn about vaccination schedules, parasite control, and how to recognize signs of illness early to provide timely treatment. Breeding and reproduction. Mastering breeding and reproduction practices is fundamental for successful lamb rearing in your sheep farming venture. This section delves into the intricate world of sheep reproduction, covering everything from estrus synchronization to newborn lamb care. 1. Understanding reproductive cycles. Sheep have seasonal reproductive cycles influenced by the length of daylight. Learn about the different phases of the estrus cycle, including estrus heat and Estrus non-breeding period. Understanding these cycles is crucial for planning breeding and lambing schedules. 2. Estrus synchronization. Estrus synchronization is a powerful tool that enables you to control when your ewes come into heat. Explore various methods such as hormonal treatments and nutritional adjustments to synchronize breeding within your flock. This can lead to a more concentrated lambing period, making management and care more efficient. 3. Ram selection and management. Choosing the right rams for breeding is essential to improve flock genetics. Discover how to evaluate rams based on traits like growth rate, conformation, and disease resistance. Proper ram management, including nutrition and health, is crucial to ensure their fertility and overall performance. 4. Mating techniques. Understanding the natural mating process is important, but artificial insemination AI can also play a role in improving genetics. Learn about the pros and cons of both methods, as well as techniques for successful AI implementation if you choose to incorporate it into your breeding program. 5. Pregnancy management. Once ewes are successfully bred, effective pregnancy management is essential. Explore the signs of pregnancy and how to provide proper nutrition and care to support the developing fetus. Address the importance of monitoring ewes' body condition, as well as strategies for managing multiple pregnancies, twins, triplets, etc. 6. Lambing preparation. As lambing approaches, proper preparation is key. Learn about creating comfortable lambing areas, providing clean bedding, and having necessary equipment on hand. Understand signs of impending labor and how to assist ewes if complications arise during the lambing process. 7. Newborn lamb care. Caring for newborn lambs requires attention to detail. Discover how to identify and address common issues like hypothermia, inadequate colostrum intake, and bonding challenges between ewes and lambs. Learn proper techniques for assisting with difficult births and ensuring lambs receive essential colostrum for a strong start. 8. Early lamb rearing. The first weeks of a lamb's life are critical. Explore strategies for providing warmth, nutrition, and protection to ensure their healthy development. Learn how to monitor lamb growth, identify signs of illness, and intervene promptly to address any health issues that may arise. 9. Record keeping and genetic improvement. Effective breeding requires meticulous record keeping. Learn how to maintain detailed records of breeding dates, lambing outcomes, and lamb growth data. These records will aid in tracking genetic progress, making informed breeding decisions, and ultimately improving the overall quality of your flock. By mastering breeding and reproduction practices, you can optimize the genetic potential of your flock and increase the chances of successful lamb rearing. Whether you're aiming to enhance specific traits or simply ensure healthy offspring, a solid understanding of the reproductive process is essential for achieving your sheep farming goals. Shearing and wool production. If wool is a part of your sheep farming enterprise, this section is invaluable. Learn about proper shearing techniques, wool handling, and the steps involved in preparing wool for market. Maximizing wool production while ensuring animal welfare is key. Marketing and profitability. Turning your sheep farming venture into a profitable endeavor requires effective marketing strategies. Discover avenues for selling lambs, wool, and other sheep-related products. Learn about pricing, branding, and building relationships with buyers. Sustainability and ethical farming. As responsible farmers, understanding sustainable and ethical practices is crucial. Explore ways to minimize your farm's environmental impact, promote animal welfare, and contribute positively to your local community. Conclusion. Whether you're a novice or have some experience in sheep farming, our comprehensive tutorial on sheep farming aims to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed for successful lamb rearing. By following our guidance, you can create a thriving and